Now, the last breathing practice that we are going to do, the very powerful practice, we call it as a tranquilizing pranayama. This has been proven during this COVID period as a practice that combats with the inflammation inside the lungs. And this practice also calms down the mind. Therefore, it improves digestion, improves quality of sleep, improves immune function. Therefore, this practice you should do every day night, sitting on the bed before going to sleep. If you're affected with corona, you can do even twice a day. If you're not affected, then just once a day, just before going to sleep, you can do this 10 times. But if you're having severe body pain because of corona, you can do many more times, but you will require expert guidance. We will be available. If you want to reach us, you can connect to us through Iggy and he will help you. We'll be really happy to guide you in case there is a need. So I'm going to demonstrate this practice. It's called Brahmari Pranayama. It's a very famous practice. Brahmaram means honey bee. And we are going to make the sound like the honey bee. The sound A, U, Ma. These three sounds together constitute the Prana mantra. And the researchers have found that the Ma, Makara, that's what it's called in Sanskrit, the Makara, it promotes withdrawal of the mind from the body identity. It promotes deep relaxation. And this practice has to be taught to anyone who is not having a good sleep, to anyone who is having pain in the body, is not able to get good quality in their sleep. If they're waking up tired, they should learn this practice. So I will show the practice now. You have to use your index finger, plug your index finger into the ears. Don't do it now, because otherwise you won't hear what I'm saying. So plug your fingers. Now all the external sounds are blocked out. Okay, I'm not hearing anything from around me. Then I close the eyes. And what I do is I imagine, you know this dot I have here, it's called Bindi. Ottu. Imagine behind this, straight about 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters inside the center of my head, behind this point, you know. Imagine if I had a speaker, an inbuilt speaker. Nowadays that is coming, no? So I am having an inbuilt speaker. Imagine if I think like that and I hear the sound I am making from the center of the head. That's the imagination that you have to do when you do this practice. So you plug your fingers, close your eyes, imagine that you're having a inbuilt speaker in the center of the head. Breathe in deeply and hum. So instead of exhalation, I make this sound. Automatically, along with the sound, breath also goes out. Then the point comes when I have to breathe in. Again, I breathe in deeply and make the long humming. So now we will do 3 times, just for understanding. Today night you try and give a feedback to Iggy how you slept today. Okay, you do 10 times in the night today. Please do not do this practice lying down. Don't be so lazy that you lie down and do Brahmari and just go to sleep like that. You won't go just to sleep, you will get into a coma. It's a very powerful practice. It helps the brain to secrete certain chemicals which promote calmness, withdrawal. It can become so strong that it can take you into a coma if you're doing it lying down. Sit and do it, finish 10 times, then lie down. Okay? Now we will do 3 times. So close your eyes. Imagine that you have a speaker in the middle of your head. Plug your fingers, breathe in deeply, and do a long humming. Like this, you do 3 rounds. Very good. When you finish 3 rounds, you drop your hands down, close your eyes, and observe how you feel in the center of the head. You feel as if you've just lit a bright golden lamp, and you imagine as if you're seeing the bright lamp, the Jyoti, in the center of the head, and feel as if this light is spreading from the center of the head throughout the body, and feel as if the whole body has become golden. Feel as if the body itself has turned into a luminous object, radiating light. Feel that this light is spreading from you into every room of your home, washing every person in the house, washing every object in the house. Feel as if your entire home is glittering, is glowing. Feel that the light from your home is spreading to your entire locality, your whole street. Feel as if every house in your street is getting this blessing of your love. And feel that light radiating from you in all directions, spreading throughout Tamil Nadu, all the 35 districts, the whole state, then spread throughout India, from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. Feel that this light from you is spreading throughout the nation, healing and washing all the burdened hearts. Feel happiness, peace, healing taking place throughout the nation. Feel that Bharat will emerge triumphant in this war. Slowly come back to your body, come back to your own breath. Become aware of the sounds you hear from this environment that surrounds you. Gently rub your palms once again, make them warm. Place the palms on the eyes. Feel the heat pass from the palms into the eyes. And drop the hands down. I